Alex, thank you. This scary incident came to an end after more than 3.5 hours last night. The man was having a mental health crisis, hanging off the edge of a bridge near Rochester. We're told with the help of a friend and a social worker, law enforcement was able to get that man to safety. And that social worker is part of a community outreach team in Olmsted County that is there to help for people in crisis. And that team says it is busier than ever. ABC 6 News anchor Maisie Olson is here in studio tonight. And Maisie, you actually talked to the woman who's a part of that team, and she was there last night. She's that social worker.
Yeah, that social worker's name, James, is Terry Dose, and she says, well, last night was extremely scary. It's this work that she does that makes it so important for everyone in the community.
Wednesday night, a frantic 911 call pushed first responders into action. A man hanging off a bridge in Rochester.
I sighed because I had kind of been holding my breath that whole time.
And while the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office was there to help, it was the county's community outreach team that knew how to help.
I feel like officers get called out on so many mental health calls. A large percentage of their calls are related to mental health or drug use.
The team of 4 licensed social workers is often dispatched to emergency scenes, and they're needed now more than ever.
There's a lot of folks that are struggling and challenged with what to do in a scenario where, they're struggling maybe with their mental health or substance use, or they have family members, friends. They don't know what to do, and a lot of times people just resort to calling 911.
In 2021, there were more than 1,100 calls for service. Last year, that number exceeded 1,500. Already in 2023, it looks like there will be even more.
It's crucial and it's really needed. I see it every single day, how important it is.
And that service was especially important during that Wednesday night crisis call.
I had huge relief, I will tell you that, when the feet were back on the road.
A call that was resolved without tragedy, thanks to these dedicated professionals.
Now, one thing these crisis specialists can do is follow up after an incident like last night. Terry Dose, who did help in this case, says that she has plans to get this gentleman more help because he was really appreciative of the help that the community outreach team did. If you know of anyone struggling, don't hesitate to reach out, and anytime you call 911, just ask for a social worker. James.